Welcome to aminacademy.com. In engineering mechanics, let us do some example problem regarding motion on inclined plane. Look at this example. A vehicle of mass 2.5 tons has a frictional resistance of 45 Newton per ton. At some instant, the speed of this vehicle at the top of an incline was observed 36 km per hour. Then as shown in the figure. Find the speed of the vehicle after running down for 100 seconds. Here, the given things first. Mass of the vehicle. Mass M equal 2.5 tons. Now, frictional resistance. The frictional resistance is given 45 Newton per ton. That is equal 45 into 2.5, which gives 112.5 Newton. Initial velocity u equal 36 km per hour, which is converted to meter per second like 36 into 5 over 18, which gives 10 meter per second. Slope of the track is 1 in 75, that is sine alpha equal to 1 over 75. Now 1 over and A equal acceleration of vehicle. Now force due to inclination is mg sine alpha is m is mass is 2500 kg because 2.5 tons into 9.81 into 1 over 75, which gives 327 Newton. Now net force available to move the body, move the vehicle is, that is F. We can say this F is force due to inclination minus frictional resistance. Therefore, F equal 327. 327 is force due to inclination 327 minus frictional resistance is 112.5 minus which gives 214.5 Newton. Now this force is responsible for the acceleration, that is 214.5 equal mass into acceleration, MA, that is 214.5 is into 2500 into A. Therefore A equal 214.5 over 2500, which gives acceleration gives 0.0858 meter per second square. Now we know this V equal U plus AT. We know the formula V equal U plus AT in this. Therefore the final velocity V equal initial velocity is 10 meter per second plus acceleration is 0.0858 into 'into' time is 100 second. So therefore V final velocity is 67.8 18.58 meter per second. If you convert in kilometer per hour, which is equal 18.58 multiplied by 18 by 5, which is equal 67.86. We'll check this one. 18.58 into 18 divided by 5 equal 18.5 equals 66.88, which is approximately equal 67 kilometer per hour. Now next question. A car with mass 1000 kg climbs at 15 incline at a steady speed of 60 km per hour. If the total resistive force acting on the car is 550 Newton, what is the power output of the car with kilowatt? (15° here). Now we know that we have to find what is the power output of the car. So force responsible equal force of friction plus mg sine theta, which is equal 550, because 550 Newton frictional force, 550 plus 1000 is the mass of the car, and 9.81 into sine 15, which is equal 550 plus 1000 into 9.81 into sine 15 is 2539. 2539, that is equal 3089 Newton. We know that this is the force required to total force required is this one to vehicle move up. Then what power output of the engine, power output P equal F into V velocity, which is equal F is 3089 into the velocity is here 60 kilometer per hour. We have to convert V equal 60 kilometer per hour is converted to 60 into 5 over 18, which is equal 16.67 meter per second. That you have to use it here. 16.67 equal 493.63 watts. We can convert in kilowatts is 51.49 kilowatt. The engine power is 51.49 kilowatt. The next question. A train of wagon is first pulled by level track from A to B and then up a 4% upgrade as shown in figure. At some point C, the last wagon gets detached from the train when it was traveling 54 km per hour. If the detached wagon has mass of 50 tons and the track resistance is 100 Newton per ton, find the distance through which the wagon will travel before coming to rest. Here, A to B is a level track, from B to C is a 4% upgrade. Now, given things, grade is 4%. Therefore, you can say sine alpha equal 0.04. 0.04. Then U equal 54 km per hour equal 54 into 5 over 18, which is equal 15 meter per second. Then now you can find mg sine alpha equal 50, mass is 50, 9.81 into 0.04, which gives the value 19.62 kilonewton, because 50 is in tons. That mass is in tons, 50 tons given. Therefore, force is 19.62 plus the resistive force is 5. Resistive force is the drag resistance is 50 ton per 100 Newton per ton. So 50 ton is here 5. 5. So which gives 24.62 kilonewton. Now acceleration equal force 24.62 over the mass is 50 equal 0.49 meter per second square. Then v square equal u square, because retardation 2a is minus, so v final is 0, initial is 15 square minus 2 into 0.49 into s. Therefore distance traveled is 15 square over 2 into 0.49, which is equal to 229.6 meter. So the train wagon travels to 229.6 meter. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.